Hi friends, this time I want to tell you what is an ideal age to buy a property. In India, we feel very happy when we buy a property. Our family feel very secured, even the social commitments becomes better, and in our own mind, we all want to buy a property. When we buy a property, we at that time choose whatever our means are, which can fit in to buy the property at that time. Hence, it is not what we want to buy. We should buy a dream house, what we would like to live in when we retire. Or when we want to enjoy the house, we should have a dream house to buy, which will suggest and which will help in accepting the need of the dream house at that time. It's too difficult to assess what is a dream house at an early age, because at the early age now, a young person starts earning at the age of 22, 23 or even 24. He sees the color of money very fast, very soon, and therefore he feels, oh, he can take the bank loan easily and he can afford to buy a house. Maybe in early 30s is a time where he can think of buying and he can afford to buy also with the support of the bank. Even in the mid 30s, he can take more loans. When he is already married, maybe his family has one or two kids. That time he feels very satisfied to buy a house. But if I give you an example, okay, what is a dream house and why he should not buy at that age, is my suggestion would be anyone who wants to buy, they should buy not in the mid 30s or early 30s, they should buy only in mid 40s. Till then, they should remain in a rented house. Mid 40s is where he is already settled in his employment. He is already settled in his earning capacity. He knows when he is going to retire, how much is the savings he is going to have. His family is full bloom and he knows whether the family is going to settle with him or the family is going to settle overseas in terms of the kids. His needs are known. He knows which city he would prefer to live in. He knows that what is the social circle he requires, and he knows whether he needs a flat, independent house, agriculture house, farmland, or whatever he needs, and he knows how much he can afford. While in the mid 30s, with the support of bank, he can always buy a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom house or flat, which will always be needed to change later on. Hence, if he starts living in his dream house in the mid 30s or early 30s by taking a rent, he can easily afford it because he doesn't have to pay any EMI to the bank. And that EMI equivalent, even if it goes to the rent, he is enjoying the dream house even at the early age. What is the difference? The difference is property prices never appreciate like a inflation. If a property is bought at a 0 year and if the same property is bought after 10 years or 15 years or 20 years, it will never be more than double. Very rare cases where the property can become 3 times or 4 times. While as a financial person I can tell you, any interest makes money double in 7 to 8 years maximum in a safest mode of investment. Hence, in 15 years or 20 years, my present money will become 4 to 6 times without any hindrance. So, my buying capacity after 15 to 20 years will be 4 to 6 times what my current capacity is. And with that kind of a money, I can definitely afford to buy a dream house or any house which I would prefer to own it. Besides that, my aspirations might change. By staying in a bigger house, now I know bigger house is not a fancy. To maintain a bigger house is a pain rather. Hence, my dream house could be a smaller home in a good locality with all the facilities which I require, like a swimming pool, club facilities, gated complex, security, instead of having an independent house. So, all those knowledge, education and satisfaction comes with the passage of time. And that passage of time tells us what is a good decision at that time, where should we locate based on my employment, based on my vocation, based on my settlement plan. It's not easy to buy and then to sell and rebuy in our lifetime. Only a few fortunate people are able to resettle by selling the earlier house and buying a new house. Hence, why should be in the category where that category has pain of selling, buying, again resettlement, again doing an expense of refurbishment? All those things can be avoided if you think logically, intelligently, intellectually, that why should I hurry up in buying a house? Why should I hurry up in any race to show social circle that, oh, I can buy a house at an early age? Life is not a race. Life is not to show anybody else. Life is to achieve self-happiness. And that happiness of achieving of buying a house does not mean buying at the early age. Hence, my suggestions, please evaluate in your mind. Hence, it is a generic suggestion. In a specific, you should consult your own financial consultant to make sure that you are taking a right decision at the right time and are not repenting later. Thanks.